Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas soap petals. They are single-use soaps that completely dissolve in about 30 seconds. They're fun, festive, and beautiful. Plus, this project is easy, quick, and requires only 2 things. Originally, I wanted to do snowflake soap petals, but they didn't work because the little arms would fall off when I was washing my hands. So choose any shape that you want, just make sure that it's a simple shape that doesn't have lots of intricate detail. You'll need thin wafer paper, and I'm not recommending you buy one just for this project, but I use my Cameo because I'm not good at cutting out lots of little shapes. And you'll need soap base. I recommend clear soap, especially if you plan on using mica. Cut the soap down so it melts evenly. Melt the soap on low heat. Once it's melted, add liquid colorant and mica. Add 1 milliliter of fragrance oil for each ounce of soap base. Dunk paper in soap. Make sure it's completely submerged. Spray it with alcohol to remove any bubbles and allow extra soap to drip off. Then drag the tip on the pot to remove soap that has not dripped off. Allow the soap to completely dry about 30 seconds before putting it down. To get different colors in your soap, drop a few drops of liquid colorant in the pot, then dunk the paper in as it is. To package soaps, you can use a bag or a box. I bought this terrarium at the dollar store, and it's actually really cute for this. You can set it next to the sink and guests can just grab a soap out of it. Or you can use a soap dish. To clarify, this is a butter dish that my son broke, but you get the idea. Arrange the soaps on the soap dish, then wrap it up for a cute gift. Wash your hands just like you normally would. The soap starts to get smaller right away. Then after about 20 seconds, there's only small pieces of paper left, but they quickly dissolve too. The micas used for these soaps made a big difference in the end result, so I wanted to share the ones I used. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration and fun DIY projects. Check out the description for helpful tips, the supply list, and my social media accounts. You can connect with me anytime.